How to fix Instagram auto post when possible. Now sometimes what happens is whenever you're trying to post something to Instagram, and because it has failed for some reason, it will say it will auto post it when it is possible. This usually happens due to many reasons. The first thing that we want to check is our internet connection, because due to a lack of stable internet connection, it might interrupt with an uploading process, especially if it is a larger file or media. So you want to make sure that it is not a problem with your internet connection. Second up, you want to come to your profile page, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side. Here you'll find many options right here. You can simply go to the option that says data saver option. So just go ahead and then look for data usage and media quality. You can try to turn on or turn off upload at highest quality. Now if this still doesn't help, if you're using Android, long press the Instagram app icon, tap on the app info button on some Android or the eye icon on some of the other Android phone. So if you're using iPhone, just offload the app. But for Android users, go to the option called storage, clear the cache files and clear the data. By the way, this will reset the app, so you have to log in again. So after you've done that, what you want to do is go to your Play Store. In the search bar, just type in Instagram and check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. After you've done all this, now you can simply try to launch Instagram, and now you should be able to find and upload without any issues. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.